The trick of the live. Okay, I think we are. When did surviving become your entire personality? I say that gently because most of the time we don't even notice, we don't notice it happening. We just keep going, keep pushing, keep holding everything together until one day we realize we haven't felt like ourselves in a long, long time. You don't wake up and decide, I think I'll live in survival mode today. It's something you slip into when life gets heavy. And then you forget how to step back out. Hi, I'm Claudette Eames, a certified mental wellness coach, and I built calm and strength later in life, after spending years in survival mode without even realizing it. You do what needs to be done. You take care of everyone, you handle the stress, the responsibilities, the curveballs, and before you know it, functioning becomes your identity. But here's what I learned the hard way. Functioning isn't the same as living. And surviving isn't the same as strength. Did you catch that? Functioning isn't the same as living, and surviving isn't the same as strength. There was a season where everything in my life looked fine from the outside, but inside I felt disconnected, tired, tense, like my mind and my body were never on the same page. Well, that's no fun, right? What kind of book is that? I'd wake up already bracing for the day. You know that feeling where you're tired before anything even happens? I wasn't falling apart. I was just flat. No spark, no bandwidth, and no room to breathe. And I remember thinking, when did this become normal for me? When did surviving replace living? It wasn't one big moment that changed me. It was dozens of tiny ones. Little signals from my body I kept ignoring. Little flashes of clarity where I realized I'm carrying too much. I can't keep doing it this way. That honesty, just naming it, was the first step out of survival mode for me. It was part of naming it and accepting it. I think it's kind of both. And this is what I want you to hear today. Survival mode is a nervous system state, not a personality flaw. Your body adapts to stress by protecting you. It's what your body is told to do. But when the stress never stops, that protective state gets stuck. It's got no place to go. Your body whispers before it screams. Fatigue, brain fog, irritability, poor sleep, low motivation, tension in the shoulders and the jaw. Those aren't random. They're signals that you've been running on survival energy for too long. You don't rebuild strength by pushing harder. You rebuild by regulating your system. Calm isn't laziness. Calm is capacity. The mature season is when your body needs nervous system support the most. The mature age season. Not because you're weak, but because your stress load has been accumulating for decades and you didn't even know it. When you learn how to support your gut-brain connection, your energy, focus, your skin, your mood, your resilience begin to shift. And it feels great. So if something in this hits home, if you've been functioning but not thriving, if you've been fine but actually not fine, that's your signal. You don't have to live the rest of your life in survival mode. What good is that? Because you can rebuild calm. You can rebuild strength. You can rebuild yourself, one honest step at a time. Drop calm in the comments. Or send me a private message if you want to talk about what the first step could look like for you. I'm here for you. Again, I'm Claudette Eames. Thank you for being here. And if you're watching the replay, just hashtag replay, ask questions, drop the comments, send me a DM. And if you aren't following me yet, follow me. I'm here for you.